think Crown Castle and Elliott need to talk this thing out. Elliott's right about focusing on towers, and it's so lucrative. It's a wonder that Crown Castle just doesn't stick with those. Sure, all these fiber and small cell investments have been expensive, but that's because Crown Castle spent years laying the groundwork for the 5G build-out, which is only just getting started. As the 5G build-out picks up speed, the major carriers will need Crown Castle's fiber-based small cell sites. Management's betting that the margins for fiber will go a lot higher as demand increases. Basically, Crown Castle believes this is the future of wireless, in part because it works much better than cell towers in densely populated areas. True. They spent all this money to own the future. True. If they're right, they'll leave American Tower and SBAC in the dust over the next few years. But if that's the case, management needs to make this argument much more forcefully. I wouldn't be surprised if Elliott's open to being persuaded, or at least be open-minded. No need for scorched earth here, as Jay Brown and his team have a terrific long-term track record. Either way, though, I think there's a lot of room for compromise here. Maybe Crown Castle cuts some of its lowest return fiber projects, raises the dividend to $6 a year instead of the $7 that Elliott's asking for. That would give it a juicy 3.6% yield. Maybe they can convince Elliott that fiber's the future. However this plays out, you know what? Here's what's important. I think it's good for you, the shareholders. Elliott's doing what's right for its partners, but that could be great news for you, too. The situation reminds me of Elliott's involvement with eBay that started about 18 months ago. For a while, eBay was willing to work with Elliott, although eventually there were some pretty significant disagreements. CEO had to resign in September. The key, though, is that eBay's rallied nearly 90% since Elliott got involved. See how smart they are, bottom line. We know how these activist situations play out. Either Crown Castle gives Elliott what they want, and you get a leaner, meaner cell tower play with a high dividend, or Crown Castle ups its game to fend off the activists. Either way, this already good story could get even better, as Elliott's work, as always, is top-notch and begs to be listened to.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.